Today. We're gonna change the oil in this guy. First, we're gonna warm it up.
You know, it only says guaranteed to start. I thought it said guaranteed to start on the first pull. Anyways, we're gonna change the oil. We're just gonna tip it on its side, pull this cap. We're gonna change the filter. Take a standard screwdriver, take the filter out of there. But first,
Did I go there? We're gonna warm it up. This thing, you just turn it on. Change hands with the camera. And it doesn't start on the first try. Probably my fault. It's the camera's fault, actually. Alright. But this thing has been here for years and years and years. Usually it will start on that pull right there. But I think I was supposed to do something else with these handles. I'm not sure. So it was the second pull. I had to get away from this column here. I think it was just scared me to pass my elbow into that thing and made it such a weak pull. Got a bucket, put the oil in, got a filter, got a baggie. So when I dump this thing on the side, I'm gonna put this. I think it's warm now. I'll put this under the cap. Get a close-up view there. Just to not do it left-handed. Oh, you think people with cameras would be able to use their left hand just as good by now? Alright, it's going to take both hands. Keep any gas from coming out of there when I tip it on its side. This side's going down. Let me show you afterwards. That same column came back to get in my way when I was tipping it over. Do you guys see anything in there? I'm barely seeing anything. Maybe I should have warmed it up more. Get the oil flowing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the spark plug wire. Well, that engine's hot. It should have been warm. We're going to work on changing this. We're also going to try to scrape this now that I pulled the spark plug wire. Just in case this thing wanted to start up and try to take a bite out of me. Alright. This left-handed stuff is tough. Now we're going to try not to drop nothing in the oil that ain't in the oil pan. Alright. This metal side goes out. That cover comes off. It's not that terrible. But we got a brand new shiny one. It's holding the dipstick for the oil. That's how dark it was. Rabbits ate my lettuce. I had 2 in here. I had 2 more in here. The first day they ate those 2. Yes, last night they ate these 2. So these are filled with flowers, and these are the inside flowers. Didn't do as good as a greenhouse. I'm working on it again. I got 2 lettuce here. Don't know if they're coming over.
to snack on those today. These guys pretty much can't take the cold or the heat. But the lettuce stood a chance. It's going to get back to the 60s for the highs instead of 80 something. That dude. Lives right under this tree somewhere. Today, I replaced the sprinkler. Cut down the old rose bushes. And kept the fence from falling over. Had to use a couple 2x4s. Alright, looks just like it. Gonna work this like a puzzle piece. Get it facing the right way. Do a little tucking in. Guess you're not gonna tuck in on both sides, just this side here. And I'll put those in the little slots. And tighten up the screw. Alright, close enough, because I left my screwdriver way over there. Should have been in my back pocket, but no! Had to go on vacation. So I'm going to see if I can find a scraper or a putty knife. Start working on this. While I keep letting that oil drain. Oh, you know what? It looks like, is it too dark? Doesn't it look like something's running right there? It might be draining. Could be my imagination. It's so hard to tell nowadays. I saw a drip. Couldn't find a spat, but what I did find was a chisel and a garden shovel. So I'm going to do some scraping. Did I mention I got a sprinkler? This yard here, I used to be watering by hand. Well, not much of this, because only parts of that. But the front yard, it's got a big old brown spot. Thing is, every year I take out the parts of the sprinkler, the valve screws and all that stuff that comes out. Put them in a baggie and put them inside the house right next to the turn-off valve. And leave them there till next year so nothing freezes. But this year, that bag was missing. I think in the great cleanup, of the basement, we fix the fix some cracks in the floor, put some new cement in there. That a lot of stuff went somewhere else. So it's been leaving me for a week now, watering this place by hand. But not today. I was still hand watering, but I got a sprinkler out in the front yard. And it's doing a great job. Alright. Chisel might be too sharp, eh? Let's scrape off some paint. Just be easy on it. It's back to the original color. It used to be red instead of that green. Not bad. And the oil is starting to drain still slowly. It's a cold morning. Oh, so what I know, don't overfill the thing. Give it 30 weight oil. And it should be happy. Cool. Or that mole dug up all the dirt. And I don't hear it going off now. They're supposed to go every 20 seconds. But that mole hasn't been digging in the yard ever since I left these out. I'm going to put the other two out here, so I don't hear it going off. Wait, let me just try the switch. Sometimes the mole comes by and just turns them off. There we go.